Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Forest and Environment Minister James P.K. Sangma to replicate 5-core mediation pilot experiment in other rivers of the state. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare ALHEC visit premises of Ganesh Das Hospital at Laumali in Shillong. National Health Mission Employees Association organizes blood donation camp, and more than 1,584 commercial vehicle drivers collected stickers with identification mark vaccinated. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Forest and Environment Minister James P.K. Sangma today said the state government will replicate the 5-core mediation pilot experiment conducted in Lukha River in Jainta Hills and other rivers of the state. Recently, the state government has been severely criticized by different social organizations and environmentalists when the crystal clear Lukha River turned bluish due to discharge of industrial waste into the river. We have been in regular consultation with experts from the United States and from Israel who have been researching biotechnologies for water restoration. We have currently deployed 5-core mediation on a pilot experiment basis. 5-core mediation looks at the utilization of algae for the removal of toxic contents from water, James P.K. Sangma said. The minister also expressed the need to strike a balance between economic activities and maintaining the environment. He also requested the industries to follow all norms and guidelines.
Yes, I'm very happy to be here today at the Naku Wildlife Reserve Sanctuary, and we are here to actually have a look at the Lukha River, which we all know has been under great stress. There has been many reports of the way that the pH level of the river is very low, and it has affected the aquatic life, the marine life. And today I'm very happy that this project, which has been undertaken under the District Mineral Fund for psychoremediation, this is an ecological solution, and to address the problem that is here being faced by the Lukha River. This method that is there behind me, as you can see, is by way of algae. That psychoremediation is basically a process where algae is used to break down the certain components which are there in the river, which create high acidity. So we've seen that this is very successful in its implementation. This is basically a pilot project that was started in the year 2019, and the success is something that we wish to replicate all across the state. This is an ecological solution, and for us it's very important as a forest department that whatever solutions that we find are such that are eco-friendly and ecological in nature. So we're very happy, and this is also something that has happened because a lot of people have done a lot of research in this matter. In fact, in the year 2011, I think 2 scientists from Shillong, they were able to report that certain algae, Microspora quadrata, was in existence in some of the rivers which were affected due to acid mine drainage. So this is, I think, a long way from there till now where we have this project, and I'm very thankful to the villagers who have.
Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister ALHEC today visited the premises of Ganesh Das Hospital at Laumali in Shillong. The minister was accompanied by MLA Adilbert Nongrum, Director of Health Services Dr. Amanwar, and health officials. Speaking to the media, the health minister said the state government intends to create another health facility in the premises of Ganesh Das Hospital to effectively contain if the third wave of COVID-19 comes.
Benda lang Shillong dulu nak berberangkam, benda Shillong dulu nak benda government dulu nak berberangkam. Kami dari jong Shillong, dari jong government ni, yang berberangkam lah hari ini. Gila benda explore kita possibility dulu, yang benda kan nunggu park, nunggu park. Di forest Ada warna. Jadi kreat gini prefer kalau bagi kreat nak mentang gini third wave. Imla bentuk buat third wave kedua ni kan man Henry ni nak kalian juga development along ready lupa. Dan bentar kan lu ka eventuality ke one ni nak kalian ada development lah along ready.
The National Health Mission Employees Association is organizing a week-long blood donation camp at Pasteur Institute at Laumalin, Shillong, beginning from today. 7 people donated their blood today. The blood donation camp is to encourage people to come forward to donate their blood despite the prevailing COVID-19 situation. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of National Health Mission Employees Association, Ronnie Khaldrut, informed that his organization is making an ardent appeal to the people of the state to donate their blood because the blood bank of Pasteur Institute is facing acute shortage of blood. Donating blood will save the lives of many, Khaldrut said.
Hari ini kesini kejeng sedang ialah peluang program paling kuat mana jeng batai atau bagi dekat jangka governing body jangka association angka dekat jangka district level association ro ilayawan lam mana benta angkat di parlok jungi di bayi ngasem di ilayawan mana senok tilang association kumalong menta akan ika jengdon kini ketlam jeng jungwan jong kibir khmat bandoni tika senam kalau kebuduna palak angka kedau ka association kalawan khmat bana ai ke kenerik ti jengrap maka benta ban pendap ke jengdon kami ke senam ke blood bank kembali tip ke blood bank ke supply senam sekiwin ke hospital repair ke district di nakalian jungi menta ka senti ni penolong ikan ka kaman ni bat kane stayo ibun ki bansawan hakini kisni nomor ba ke jenglong jungi klam omla bani rum sibun ka dami la stretch stayo nomor kinla ni wan kisni ke repair bat kumju hakiwi ki district ni penolong ni sa penolong ikan ke juk ka kam ka banyarap dan pendap nak kanta ki ke jengdon kam senam haki district kumju di nakalian ka association kumju badai ki nong train ko transport kya di Shimkia ba ini dan mentalang bat ke department kaban yarap na kamta pendap ikan di jumlah kam ke bejek nah bat ni kenturu ya ki para jagandreu jengi bat kunju baru kibri ke besyong ni gejala bakin long ki bakloy manwan syakmat ban ya dan mentah akan ke kam ba ajim da ka bangi donate islam majong akaba nyo aru ya juga dikya lebih kabangiwan donate islam nyo ke free health check up akaba nitip ke jumlah jaman jong ka mek ka lajong bat abang ifet nila kana islam bat kani ka ajim ini tuwe ba kunjuru perap ni dunia ko bikya di tim ba khadu na kentu di wei ke ba lemba jong kani ka kubur jong ki bede jibril na media ba pin yes ngap itu ni tempat lem jongi akaba piniwan chakmat ani senok tilang la kadai lemba ka association jongi langi pila muan shimet saya kini ke jeka islam ban yarap na tentang birin islam.
The localities around Limekra Market in Shillong were plunged into total darkness today when a season tree fell on the high voltage wires that supply power to the different localities, business establishment and educational institutions at around 3 a.m. The residents woke up from their deep slumber when the season tree apparently standing tall and robust at the premises of NCC building near the entry to Mary Rice Centre created a jolt when it fell very early in the morning. The MEECL rushed to the spot in the morning to undertake the restoration work. The huge tree was hurriedly cut into pieces throughout the day to clear the road. The residents were relieved when power was restored in the evening. The East Khasi Hills District Transport Officer D. Lamin today informed that so far more than 1,584 commercial vehicle drivers have collected stickers with identification mark vaccinated to be prominently placed in their vehicles. Lamin said the drivers have enthusiastically come to collect their stickers in compliance with the order of the High Court that made them mandatory to prominently place these stickers to enable their vehicles to ply on the roads.
Katkung ketua order jeng di sini ngila sedang ban ai gini stiker na do arf real trick de haka arf real trick di driver giba lawan akika kedai south spa arf live haka artinya uterek saus pa kendai tau. Kata artu terek saus pa ar kendai. Kata light uterek ars pa sapu ar. Bat ya ka light uterek mentar si nyimpan yuk reban ai kuat namar ngidang up mo ngidang le yuk piwan apa pada yuk ngidang percang hiban. Yuk dah tu mentah nadu ar pendril trek adu ar pendai ke total kelong cejar san spa proposal ini kita ki bala yo injection la det vaksinit kiwan kita kiwan sim ni wat ki bos lu kidon ki bawan sim wat kita res lu kidon ki bawan sim katokanit mar balai ini kita res ki ong ba le sengim ya to res yo kata-kata yo le se ki kidon ketugas tikar le se don bakhat ki banyak ki lokal taksi kata-kata ki ni ai be ki ni khen bagi de ki tourist ne ki de driver bos ne driver auto rickshaw mar le se teng ki don ki try ki badon kali lokal don ki badon bat tourist don badon ti laban tha ki driver tu ki hagan no kali de kata ngi sa ai lang ya ki ro.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.